भुनक्तु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Hari Om. The purpose of yoga, I was told in my yoga classes, is to bring union with the self. Make yoga a family party. It's fun, light and relaxing. There is an old saying you might be familiar with. The family that prays together stays together. It works the same way when you flow together with yoga. Whether it's prayer or practice, the benefits of yoga are sure to strengthen bonds and pull everyone in closer. Family yoga can be beneficial by developing healthy body image, promotes more healthy habits, develops strong bonds, builds confidence, connects us with community, and something fun to look to every week. Soon enough, everyone will be jumping at the opportunity to unite breath and body together as a team. Namaste. I request our principal, Dr. Reggie P. Matthew, to say a few words on yoga.
Dear Rajagirians, happy morning to one and all. Today we are going to celebrate International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, spiritual practice originated in India. It helps to empower oneself to identify his own innate powers. Today, we are going to inaugurate our online yoga classes for Rajgiri students. Let us enjoy and empower ourselves through our online classes, Swasti 2021. I invite all the Rajgirians to strengthen your powers, to empower yourself through your mind, body and spirit. I wish you all happy Yoga Day. Thank you so much.
Namaste. My name is Ajit. I am from Alva and I am a newly appointed librarian in our school. I am also a yoga teacher. Today I can get a chance to take a yoga session with our school students. June 21st, International Day of Yoga. The whole world celebrating this day with the Yogasana practice. One who practice yoga in their life as a daily routine, it will cure all the life problems like the mental and physical. It's also using as a medicine and therapy. If anyone suffering their life, like sadness, like feeling unhappiness, insomnia problems, hypertension, stress, all problems can cure with yogasana practice. Before we practicing yoga, we know about what is yoga, at least its basic things. Yoga, the word is originated from Sanskrit word which means to union or to join. Join with Jivatma to Paramatma. It's lead to union with individual consciousness to universal consciousness. Simply means union with mind, body and the soul. Yoga is a path of self-realization. The whole area of life will improve with the yogasana practice choose in our daily routine. It will give a good memory power for our students. Their emotional stress, their illness can increase their confidence, everything in our life. And before we practicing yoga asanas, we must know about our body condition, our body limitations and our flexibility. Yogasana practice will start with empty stomach and with calm and quiet mind. At the area of practicing yogasanas, it will neat and clean, dust free and nose free. And you use flat surface area. Don't do asanas in direct contact with the earth. Do with yoga mat or use any folded blanket. Use loose dress. Don't use tight dress. Cotton dress are good for yogasanas. And the practice time. Start with the prayer. It will calm our mind. Then before we practicing, we are just beginner. So every asanas have their own limitations and also the benefit. But we must know about that limitations. Like if anyone suffering from hypertension, high BP or vertigo problem, dizziness, insomnia, these people can't do like chakrasanas, forward and backward bendings. So we must know about that limitations also. If you practice yoga, actually it's lead to a liberation. Its ultimate aim is that moksha. There are some misconceptions about practicing yoga. Yoga is not a physical exercise. It's not for a medicine. But if you practice yoga, it will cure all these problems. If a man practicing yoga, he or she is free from all source from the world. It's lead to their self-realization, harmonize their mind with nature and the universe. Actually, this is the ultimate aim of the yoga. And yoga not comparing, you must do these asanas. Not like that. 84 asanas there. What we need, that only we do. Because that's based on your choice and your convenience. And not going to do with stressful mind. If you have feeling any sickness or any illness, if your body is injured, don't practice asanas. Just go to relax. If we need to practice, just go to breathing practice and pranayamas. It will calm your mind. Pranayama is improve your breathing capacity and breathing level, and the restless mind will calm. And in the case of pregnancy or menstruation time, don't go to practicing asanas. Okay, just go to relax. That time we need a rest, a peaceful mind. Pranayamas and meditation is enough. Yoga, anyone can practice. It's related to our mind. Because mind is everything. That's why if we practice yoga as in our daily life, we can free from all sorrows, all mental problems, all desires, because many of the diseases coming from our mind, not from a material world. Our creation is from our mind. So that's why saying yoga is a chitta vritti nirodhana. cleaning our mind. We don't have enough time for yoga. It's very depth. Thank you for this section. Thank you all. Namaste.
Yoga. Yoga is an ancient art that connects the mind and body. It is an exercise that we perform by balancing the elements of our bodies. In addition, it helps us meditate and relax. History of Yoga. Yoga essentially originated in the subcontinent of India. It has been around since ancient times and was performed by yogis. The term yoga has been derived from a Sanskrit word which translates to basically union and discipline. The word yoga was first mentioned in the oldest sacred text, the Rig Veda. In the earlier days, the followers of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism practiced it. Slowly, it found its way in Western countries. Ever since, people from all over the world perform yoga to relax their minds and keep their bodies fit. Benefits of yoga. Yoga has numerous benefits. If you look at it closely, you will get relief when you practice it regularly, as it keeps away the ailments from our mind and body. In addition, when we practice several asanas and postures, it strengthens our body and gives us a feeling of well-being and healthiness. Furthermore, yoga helps in sharpening our mind and improving our intelligence. We can achieve a high level of concentration through yoga and also learn how to steady our emotions. It connects us to nature like never before and enhances our social well-being. Asana. An asana is a body posture originally and still a general term for a sitting meditation pose, and later extend in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any type of poses or position, adding reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. Some yoga poses: Surya Namaskar, Gomukhasana, Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, Shavasana, Malasana, Shirshasana, Sukhasana, Vakrasana, Dandasana, Buddhasana and etc.
Happy morning everyone. Today I am going to do Surya Namaskar. Salute to the sun or sun salutation is a practice in yoga as exercise incorporating a flow sequence of some 12 gracefully linked asanas. Benefits of Surya Namaskar: better digestive system and better mental health, refreshing mind, improves blood circulation. First step of Surya Namaskar: Pranamasana. Normal breath brings your arms in prayer pose. Second step, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe, inhale, raised arms, pose, reach your arms up, bending backward. Third step, Padahastasana. Breathe, exhale, hand to foot, pose, bend down. Fourth step, Ashwasanjalanasana. Breathe, inhale, take the right leg back as far as comfortable. Fifth step, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe, exhale, downward facing dog, raise your hips up. 6th step, Ashtanga Namaskaram. Breathe, exhale, bring your knees, chest and chin on floor and hips raised up. 7th step, Bhujangasanam. Breathe, inhale, push your body up, bending from lower back and looking up. 8th step, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe, exhale, downward facing dog, raise your hips up. 9th step, Ashwasanjalasanam. Breathe, inhale, bring your left leg front. 10th step, Padahastasana. Breathe, exhale, hand to foot, pose bent down. 11th step, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe, inhale, raised arms, pose, reach your arms up, bending backward. 12th step, Pranamasana. Normal breath, bring your arms in prayer pose.
Practicing yoga couple of times in a week increases muscle strength, flexibility and tunes your heart, lungs and blood vessels. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.